so here is problem 2. Let's look at the problem. In a room, there is a total of 12 people. 6 of them speak English, 5 speak Spanish, and 5 speak French. 3 speak both English and Spanish, 2 speak both Spanish and French, and 2 speak both English and French. One person speaks all 3 languages. How many more people only know one language than the number of people who doesn't know English, Spanish, or French? Okay, so let's first create the Venn diagram, and hopefully you've watched the basic lesson from the last video. You can always go back there and check, and it's in the description. But I will also be putting that playlist link into the description. In this video, so you can check that out as well. This is not the basic lesson for this topic, so I strongly recommend you to watch that in case this is new to you, because in there I'm going to be talking about all the concepts and why we're doing these things. So there's a total of 12 people, and last time we only had circles, right? But this time I want to add a rectangle right here. And first think about why I might add this rectangle. Alright, so the reason I'm adding this rectangle is because it's asking how many more people only know one language than the number of people who know no languages. Well, there must be a region for that group of people that know no languages, right? That doesn't know English, Spanish, or French. Just doesn't know English, Spanish, or French, of course. And this would be outside of all 3 circles, meaning that this is going to be the people that don't know English, Spanish, or French. So there is a total of 12 people. But that doesn't mean we write 12 in any parts yet, because it's a total. We want to know the specific regions. So 6 of them speak English, 5 speak Spanish, and 5 speak French. 3 speak both English and Spanish. And remember, the first thing we do is to try to find where that most overlapping part is. If you only have 2 circles, then you find the one area where there's most interaction between the regions. For 3, you always want to do that middle part. So instead that one person speaks all 3 languages, meaning that there's one right there. Now we can move out and we can talk about the overlapping parts, but not that overlapping parts, which is these 3 regions. Oh, and also we have to mark these languages. This is English, this is French, this is Spanish. So it says that 3 people speak both English and Spanish. So that would be this area right here, this almond shape. But 1 person is already written down, meaning we subtract 1 from 3, meaning that this area is 2. Now it says that 2 speak both Spanish and French. But 1 of the 2 is already written down, meaning that over here this is 1. And 3 people speak English and French. But 1 person is already written down, meaning we subtract 1 from 3, and this is 2. So now we have all of the overlapping areas done. So now we can take the total of each of these languages and subtract the overlapping parts from them to find the parts where there is only one language spoken. So 6 of them speak English. 6 subtract 5, so we get 1. Now 5 speak Spanish, so 5 subtract 4, we get 1. And 5 speak French. 5 subtract 4, we get 1. And now let's add these up and subtract this from 12, because remember, we still have to find how many people are outside of the circles but inside the rectangle. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 subtracted from 12 is 3. So there are 3 people that don't know how to speak English, Spanish, or French. And how many people speak only English, Spanish, or French? 3 as well. So how many more people? Well, that would be 0, because it's the exact same amount.